Hi everyone, and check out this amazing Saviland Dip Powder Nail Kit featuring over 30 gorgeous colors. This starter set delivers salon-quality results at home without needing a bulky UV light lamp. The quick-drying formula creates strong and lightweight nails that stay beautiful for up to 4 weeks. Each powder uses healthy and non-toxic ingredients to help your natural nails grow much stronger. You can choose between chic pure tones or stunning glitters to match any outfit or special occasion. The easy application process works perfectly on natural nails or extensions for a smooth gel-like finish. This complete liquid set provides everything you need to achieve a professional look with every use. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.